Boracay history traces back to its origins as the ancestral land of the ATI tribe characterized by sparse population and agricultural activities. It evolved into a new tourist spot celebrated for its pristine beaches and lively ambience, a shift triggered by a German writer's discovery allowed by filmmakers and backpackers.
A SWOT analysis of Boracay highlights its strengths in natural beauty and tourism appeal, but also its weaknesses in environmental degradation and infrastructure issues. Opportunities exist to develop sustainable tourism and support the local economy, while threats include pollution, over-tourism, and natural disaster like typhoons.
Economics factors. Dependency on tourism. Boracay is heavily reliant on tourism, making its economy highly vulnerable to external shocks like the COVID-19 pandemic or the government-mandated closures.
Boracay Tourism Infrastructure Plan prioritizes sustainable transport, e-trikes, modernized facilities, airport terminal upgrade, and stricter building regulations, 25-meter setback. Key improvements include upgrading the main road and sewage system, alongside enhanced environmental protection measures. Boracay Sustainability Plan involves strict regulations, infrastructure upgrades, and community initiative. Action include the 2018 island closure for rehabilitation, strict building codes, 25-meter setback, a sustainable e-trike transport system, and comprehensive waste and wastewater management. Coastal habitat mapping, stakeholder engagement, cleanup campaigns, and mangrove planting are also vital initiatives.
Boracay Tourism Plan focuses on engaging the local community by prioritizing local hiring, supporting small business, and providing skills training. This ensures residents benefit from tourism and become partners in sustainable development through community-led projects showcasing local culture.
Boracay Strategic Tourism Plan include concrete actions for marketing, digitalization, and innovation, focusing on promoting its unique brand through target digital campaigns, leveraging data traits, and pre-registration system, and implementing sustainable and competitive practices. So first is marketing, target digital campaign. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote Boracay's beauty and attraction using high-quality content to attract a wider audience. Next is digitalization. Develop a unified online presence. Create and maintain official, high-quality platform that provides comprehensive information and allows direct bookings. Reduce reliance third-party online travel agencies or OTAs. Last is innovation. Promote sustainable tourism. Innovate by learning from past mistakes. Develop sustainable tourism practices at all levels, from larger operators to individual tourist activities, with a focus on long-term preservation. Policy recommendation. To create a strategic tourism plan, policy recommendations should focus on strict environmental management like wastewater treatment and waste reduction, sustainable tourism implementation and determining and enforcing carrying capacity, promoting ecotourism and strengthening governance and improving local governance, ensuring national and local agencies collaboration, and professional resource management. The plan should also include mechanisms for stakeholders' engagement and socio-economic support for local communities affected by sustainability measures.
A strategic plan for a Boracay tourism's development is projected to yield economic benefits like revenue and local tab creational social benefits such as improved infrastructure and living standard and environmental benefits like albumen, rebellion, and ecosystem protection. The long-term goal is to achieve a sustainable balance between tourism, growth, and prevention of the island natural and cultural asset for current and future generation.
The Boracay Strategic Tourism Development Plan aims to enhance the Philippine tourism industry by promoting environmental sustainability, improving tourism experiences, and boosting the local economy. Its success depends on stakeholders' collaboration, strong governance, and adaptive policies for environmental protection and positive community impact.